Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn conditional formatting in that greater than, less than, between using a student mark sheet. So let us understand first what is conditional formatting. When we apply conditional formatting in our data, it automatically changes the appearance of the cell based on the values or condition you set. And second thing, we have to complete here one task based on those conditions. So before completing this task, let us understand how these rules works. So for example, I have here marks of 3 subjects and I want to know that for example, I want to greater than marks. Okay, so I want to know about 90 marks. Okay, and I want to highlight those marks in green background with dark green text. So your option okay. So you can see simply I selected the cell and applied that condition with selected rules. So it automatically changes the appearance of the cell. Next, suppose I want to know less than. So less than 60 and I want to highlight with these rules, light red field with dark red text. Okay. So not less than 60. For this again I will apply if any marks are less than 70. So your condition light red field with dark red text. Okay, so you can see less than 70, 69, 65. All those marks which are less than 70 are highlighted in a red background with dark red text. After that I want to clear those rules. Just go and here clear rules. You can, if you want to clear rules from selected cell, use this option. If you want to clear rules from entire sheet, you can use this option. Just I am selecting this. Suppose I want to find out in between marks. So just click here between. Suppose I want to know marks between 75 to 100. Just click and I want to highlight with other rules. So yellow field. Okay. So you can see all those marks are highlighted in yellow color. Again I want to clear the rules. Just select clear rules from selected cell. I hope you have understood these options, greater than, less than, between. So let us complete our given task. So what is task? We have to complete is if total is greater than 250, then we should highlight with these conditions. So select highlight greater than 250 with green background with dark green text. Already that option is there. Click OK. So is it correct? Greater than 250? Yes, 252, 259, 252 of the student marks are greater than 250. Next condition is less than 200 with light red background with dark red text. Less than, it is 200. Light red with red text, all first one option. Just click OK. So 200 less than 200, yes, 190 is less than 200. After that, between. So they have given between. What we have to find out is total between 200 to 250. So what is rules? Yellow background with dark yellow text. That option is also available. Second one, just select and click on OK. So here how the conditional formatting works. So we will see other option equal to text that contain data occurring duplicate values in second part. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And for such interesting videos, hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon. And thanks for watching video till the end.